I think the one question I get more than any other, beside where do you get your protein from, which I have fixed that already, is why almost vegan? Why almost vegan? Why almost? I'm Chef Dan, and yes, I am almost vegan. And I'm almost vegan because I've tried being vegan. Not easy. Not easy. I'm not an animal rights activist. My religion permits me to eat meat. So there's no burning need to be vegan. If you have a burning need to be vegan, you'll be vegan, no problem. You got this. This video is not necessarily for you because you're vegan and you're there. But I find that with me, it's very difficult to be vegan. I'm not motivated enough to be vegan. I know it's a health issue, but it's hard. It's hard. I go out with my friends and we're at, Buffalo Wild Wings. I want some wings, baby. Wings are the thing, Wings are good. I go out for Italian food. I want a pizza, I want eggplant parmesan. I want the cheese on top. That melted cheese is, man, it's delicious. So I want that. I miss it. And I'm a little bit embarrassed to go out with a group of people and eat vegan. Restaurants do have vegan options now, but people notice it. I'll be sitting there and people go, what'd you order that for? Everyone's sitting there with a nice steak, a nice chop, and I got a bowl of pasta. It's hard. It's hard being vegan. The idea of being almost vegan is that any diet in the world that says that we can help you lose weight works. Any one of them, all of them, they work. And you might say, come on, really? Yes, they all work. They all help you lose weight. The problem is, in order for that diet I'm not going to say to work, because they all work, but to work long term, is that you need to be on that diet long term. You need to choose a way of eating that you can stay on for the rest of your life. Now that sounds like daunting. Oh my God, I gotta eat a certain way. But there are diets you can do that. Like people who are vegan, who are motivated vegans, who need to be vegan because of their religious practices or because they're animal rights activists, they will stay on a vegan diet the rest of their life because their views are not gonna change. And they feel the need to eat that way, and that's what they're gonna do. And it's not a problem for them. If you come to him and say, why are you eating that way? Well, that's my religion. I need to eat that way. And hey, that's it, Or you realize that you're eating, these animals have rights too, and you're eating these animals, and that's like cannibalism. So they have these views, and you may think it's extreme, but you're not gonna change their views. So they got this. They're vegan the rest of their lives. It's not a problem, okay? But someone like myself, can I eat vegan the rest of my life? I don't think so. So, I have issues, and I get anxiety from it. I get stress from it. And that's the worst. Don't do something if it's going to stress you out, unless it's something you have to do. Like, renew your license at the DMV is very stressful, but you got to do it. But things that you have a choice about, and the choice is either do this and get stressed or do that and don't get stressed, don't get stressed. So that's why I came up with almost vegan, because being almost vegan means that I have my vegan dishes, but I add a little bit of something that's not vegan to satisfy myself, to de-stress myself. So if I'm sitting in a restaurant and everyone's eating steak, I can get a steak with baked potato, a vegetable, and maybe a side vegetable too, all right? And ask them for no butter, no fat in the vegetable, that's fine. I got that big steak sitting in front of me, big baked potato. I'll ask for a side of like mustard. I like mustard on my baked potato. It's healthy and I like mustard. And a vegetable and an extra side of vegetable. I'll eat the potato, I'll eat the vegetable, I'll eat the side of vegetable, and I'll cut that steak in quarters and eat a quarter of it. So a 12-ounce steak, I'm eating 3 ounces. Not a whole lot of meat. It's being almost vegan. It's like I'm eating the vegetables and the meat's just a little bit of extra with the vegetables. Sometimes I'll make something like a stir fry, and I'll take a chicken cutlet, I'll take 2 ounces of chicken and slice it thin and stir fry it with all the vegetables just to give a little chicken flavor. I'll do it with beef, I'll do it with pork, just a little bit, give it chicken flavor. So I'm making the vegetables with just a little bit of the meat added to it to give it a little bit of extra oomph, if you know what I mean. So that's what Almost Vegan's about. There's another thing that happens all the time. I go for a cup of coffee on my way to work, on my way somewhere, I'll go for a cup of coffee. I like coffee. I like to have a little bit of non-dairy milk in my coffee. I call it non-milk milk, like soy milk or almond milk or oat milk or whatever. And I like that. I like a little milk in my coffee. Sometimes I drink it black, but usually I like a little milk in my coffee. You go to a place, they don't have any non-milk milk, right? All they have is moo juice. That's it. And because I'm almost vegan, I don't have to stress over that. If I want a little bit of milk in my coffee, I can have it. It's a couple of tablespoons. I don't take much milk in my coffee. It's a couple of tablespoons. I like the richness. I like it. I'll even have half and half or heavy cream in my coffee. I don't care. A couple of tablespoons, beautiful. And I like that. I like that. I like the fact that I'm able to do that and not stress over it. Because if I have a couple of tablespoons of milk, maybe once every 2 months, it's not going to hurt me. It's not going to hurt me. So I like that. I like how I can have that. And I like the fact that I'm almost vegan. When people ask me, well, are you vegan? No, I'm not vegan. I'm almost vegan. Before I would say, you know, yeah, I'm vegan, and then I feel bad if I'm going to dinner. Oh, the worst is you're going out to dinner with a group of friends, and then like there's always a person who's in charge of the group. That person gets a hold of you and says, well, we're going to this restaurant. Is that all right? You think you can find something on the menu to eat? Like I'm some kind of special case. I hate that. It stresses me out. I don't do it anymore. And my friends don't do that with me anymore, because they see that I can eat anything I want on the menu. We go to Buffalo Wild Wings. Great wings. By the way, great wings. I used to like Hooters for their wings and for other things, but I liked Hooters for their wings. Hooters had great wings, but they closed the Hooters near my house, so I have to go to Buffalo Wild Wings. Also, great wings. The sauce variety is wonderful. And I'll go there and they have salads there too. So I'll get a salad and an order of wings. And an order of wings is like 12 wings to an order, and I'll take 3 wings, I'll eat them, and the other wings I'll say, pack it up and take it home. You know, I have the salad, I have some wings, everyone's having wings, and you know, I feel great because they don't look at me and say, what's the matter with you? You don't like wings? Well, I don't have a place that sells wings. You don't like these wings? Why can't you eat wings? Where do you get your protein from? No one asks me that anymore. So it's nice to be almost vegan. It's something I can do for the rest of my life. I will lose weight, I will be healthy, I will be almost vegan. Now, if you agree with this, let me know in the comment section. If you don't agree, let me know that too in the comment section. If you love me, let me know. If you hate me, let me know. So let me know, make a comment. What's your diet like? Do you try to be healthy? Do you eat vegan? Why? How do you do it? I can't do it, man. I'm a little bit like in awe of those people who can eat vegan, because I just can't do it. And let me know. Let me know what's happening. And definitely like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you on the next video. I'm Chef Dan, and yes, I am almost vegan.